Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can move a selection in Gimp. So obviously there's two ways to do this. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is to select the selection tool. And so obviously it's going to be inside the rectangle select. And let's say that we want to move this specific section. Now there's three ways that you could do this. The number one way is moving the selection. So with this one, you could just drag and drop the selection itself and it will not move the contents inside the selection, but only the outline. If you want to go ahead and move the contents inside, you could press Control Alt on your keyboard, and then you will be able to see that your cursor icon will change into the move icon, and then you could just change it to wherever you want to. And the last way is moving the contents without simply deleting the original one. It's going to be Shift, Control, and then once again, you could just drag it over your project. If that didn't work, you want to press Shift, Alt, do the same thing. And now as you can see, it will not remove the original selection whatsoever. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.